Part two in reference to that Honda that the engine swap on. Um, I can't get that engine to turn. Uh, Put fairly long, a long ratchet on the damn thing in the socket, and I can't get it to move. I'm believing that engine's locked up. Uh, it has plenty of oil in it. It had plenty of oil in it well before I started it, and I wasn't drunk, so I got no. There's no chance that I spun it or tried to start it without oil and filter on the thing. Uh, and even at that, it did crank a while before it started. So even if it was low pressure on first turning it, it should have primed up and had plenty of oil pressure well before the engine started. And it sat in idle for quite a while, so it's kind of weird. Uh, Best guess that I was sent a bad motor. I never opened the inside of the engine. I didn't take off the valve cover. I didn't take off the oil pan. I didn't take off the timing case cover. Any mechanic that looks it over could see that there's no tool marks on anything there that's showing. You know what I mean? Uh, let's see. There was no issue swapping the tranny. Uh, there's nothing that stood out as an issue. So, okay. I guessed apparently incorrectly about the starter. Uh, so, dude, I can put that starter back on. Seems alright. And dude can get his money back out of the new one I put on there. Best guess the thing sat a while. I don't know. I used the correct type of oil, right weight and grade, so uh, same thing with antifreeze. I have no idea. Uh, well, if I'd have made a mistake, I'd have caught it before it got away from me. I got a policy of check and recheck and recheck. There's reasons my old ass don't walk on water, so I try to catch any fuck ups before it gets away from me and gets expensive. So, at any rate, that seems to be the case that the engine that was sent to me seems to be in a bad one. Maybe the oil pump had issues. It having solid lifters, uh, if it was low oil, there wouldn't be the chatter up top that you would normally get out of like a Ford when the lifters collapse when there's low oil pressure. Um, there was no signs of that. So, again, best guess the thing just sat too long before it got reused. I don't know. That's all.